So we got one of those like salad spinners. So we're gonna use for fruit. So go ahead and just pour it in there. My daughter's helping me out here. We soaked all the fruit in water and vinegar. Make sure they're all clean. All right, and we're going to rinse them really quick. Okay, all right, Jasmine. Go ahead and put the other bowl down. And we'll put this one in. Okay, so we're gonna put the first top on. That goes into the internal one. And we're gonna put the last one that has the spinner attached to it. All right, see if this actually works. Okay, so now we stopped it. Go ahead and take the top off. Take the other top off. Oh, it's got like a little hole right there. Oh, definitely drier. I mean, probably gonna put it a little bit more, but not too bad. It definitely gets the water out. Cool, I like it.